Good morning or afternoon, and happy weekend, everyone. It couldn't get here fast enough because guess what? This week in crypto just sucked. we had a very good setup for the week, and frankly, we kind of blew it. Institutional money just ravaged the market. There wasn't really much in terms of a push of positive sentiment, and because of that, BTC just tumbled and tumbled and tumbled. And yesterday was another example of that. Now, the good thing about this is even though BTC was showing weakness, SHIB still continues to show strength. We had just kind of a meh day yesterday, but we're holding. This is good. Today is the start of a green day. We're back up above 4018, showing some strength. And I really believe we are, in fact, gearing up for a pop here. And there's something that specifically has pointed to this that I've seen many, many times. Now, first and foremost, still oversold. We're kind of actually flipping around here. We're approaching our signal line, which is great. MACD looking like it's flipping around as well, possibly going to cross the signal line there too. We'll have to wait. That's probably going to take a couple days to play out here. But there's something I don't reference a lot. So I've done content for a very long time now. It's been almost 2 years. And there's this very consistent theme. There are these waves that happen in content making, of viewership and engagement. And this may seem like kind of a weird metric to use, but there are times where viewership and engagement begin to drop and drop and drop as people are losing hope and people are getting quiet and they're not doing as much, right? And those are the moments where everything flips around. You get this pop, right? I've seen times where viewership has dropped way, way down and then SHIB does a 50% or does a 300%, right? These things happen all the time. You have to go through periods of cooldown, especially as you go on some of these rip-roaring runs. I think some people seem to forget that SHIB did a 4.5x. All right. That is a very, very big move in a very short period of time. And sometimes you have to wait for the demand to catch up. You have to wait for that demand to rise in the charts. And that's kind of what we've been waiting for. Now we've caught it a couple times. Demand actually caught Shiba Inu again right around this 4021 range. We were showing really good support there. Back here, right here, close to a tap here, coming back down here. And then basically, I don't want to say the market rugged, but the market just kind of fell back into uncertainty, right? Questions. That's kind of what we've been just unfortunately stuck in. Shiba Inu's a victim of the broader crypto market right now. But the great news is that that's all going to improve. The sentiment will, in fact, shift. If you guys remember, I did that video talking about how sentiment gauges social metrics, right? And it's the lowest it's been for Shiba Inu in a very long time. All right. That is a big sign because you cool down, people start to lose hope. Remember what I said about the, the psychology of a market cycle? Gosh, I can't think apparently. First video I'm doing today, guys. In the psychology of a market cycle, this is that bear trap moment. This is that fake out. This is that disbelief where people start to think, oh, this is a sucker's rally. It's going to fail like the rest of them. And then we know what follows. We know that these big pops, this explosive market cycle, alt season, mass adoption, these exciting times are what follow these points. And that those metrics, they're going to flip around very, very quickly. Like I said yesterday, going to leave a lot of people behind. A lot of people are going to be surprised by it. A lot of people are going to be stuck playing games, hoping for lower prices. That's a big reason why you don't try to get cute with the market. The second that you think you are, in fact, smarter than the market punishes you pretty quickly. I think many people have found that out throughout time. Oh, maybe I can sell and buy back lower, and then boop, green candle to the upside. Now, this is not financial advice. This is not a guarantee, but I want people to remember this is something I've seen play out time and time again over the past few years, and that's in a bear market cycle. All right. We're in very different times now. We are very close to this moment where the market is going to go berserk. So I appreciate you guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know your thoughts below, but have a great day. Catch you guys in the next one. Take care.